idea. Daddy has the domain to make.
Okay, guys, ready to go, guys. A good day today. Awesomeness, a day of total awesomeness. Can you guys hear me if I put this on? Let me see here. I shouldn't put on my mic. Let's see. Yeah, do that. Oh, okay. Not gonna do anything now. Okay, guys, ready? Here we go, guys. Ready, ready, ready. Here we go. And here we go. And it is a good day, okay? It is a very, very good day for the crypto world because today I forgot a ribbon. Does anyone have a virtual ribbon? Because there should be a ribbon and I should cut that ribbon because today, or maybe it was the weekend, I hereby declare the second inning on. Again, reminder, we have 9 innings like a baseball game. Don't know what a baseball game? Google it, okay? There are 9 different innings. This is the first out of 9. No, this is the second out of 9. The first out of 9 probably peaked in October. You're going to see that. I'm going to get these cycles into your head now because you need to know the cycles, so you need to know when to strike. And I'm going to say some things about myself, okay? And I'm going to say some things about Ethereum because I sounded like a broken record in Ethereum, right? Oh, he bought at 360. Oh, what's it doing? Nothing. Don't you have anything better to do? Why aren't you doing anything? Why are you trading? Nothing. And today, Ethereum is about to break 600. Thank you very much. In crypto, guys, you guys have to be patient. I'm going to show you some other coins. Some of you might be saying, when is this thing going to go up? It did. When crypto goes up, guys, it simply explodes. How are you going to catch it? You got to be there. If you are thinking of like, I'm going to look at the charts every day, I'm going to catch it, forget it. You ain't going to catch it. In order to catch it, you have to sound like me, right? You have to sound like a broken record, even to your wife, right? I mean, say you have a wife, say, I'm in crypto. What's happening today? Nothing. What happened to your Ethereum position? Nothing. Why aren't you doing anything? Because I don't know what to do. The CFO asked me to wait. And look at today, guys. It's going to hit 600, just like I said yesterday. After which, I'm going to put a trailing stop. Okay, I'm going to sell half my position because in doing this, I forgot. Because I was so busy sounding like a broken record, I forgot I'm under-invested in Polkadot. You guys know the 3 main coins, right? Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Polkadot are my 3 main coins. Go back to the previous show if you want to see all that. So where are we today? Look at the market capitalization, 548. Bitcoin dominance has gone down, was 65, it's now 63, right? Good sign. The alts are going up. Let's see that. Now, I already declared the season. Okay, it's actually called alt season, but it's the second inning. The alt season is where the other coins, other than Bitcoin, go up, especially the smaller coins, right? How do we know the alt season? You look at ETH, and I'm going to show you another chart. Okay, this is ETH USD. Yay, it just exploded. It explodes. It doesn't wait for you. If you guys were just waiting here, oh, I'm going to not do anything. Here, I'm going to not do anything. Here, I'm going to not do anything. I'm going to wait till it come down. Sayonara. It just explodes, right? Can't really wait. When it's time to enter, you enter, okay? Look at the cycle, then look at the chart. When it's time to enter, you got to enter. You can't wait. Because now, if you say to me there's no entry, I agree. I don't even know where to enter. All I know is that I'm going to start taking profits as it goes up. Now, let's look at another chart. Seeing Ethereum goes up and seeing Bitcoin goes up, you know what? Doesn't make a difference. So what? So what if Bitcoin and Ethereum goes up? How do you know that this is the second inning, or rather the alt seasons? We're going to have a lot of fun, right, for the next few weeks, okay? How do you know? You go to this chart. I'm going to teach you something new. No, I teach you guys this, right? But because nothing was happening, you guys probably forgot. So I'm going to teach you again. You look at the ETH, Ethereum against the Bitcoin chart. Look at that. Look at this. When was the last alt cycle? Around here, right? August, September. Look, ETH was rising against Bitcoin. When was the peak? Around here. And then what happened? Totally crashed. This is ETH against BTC. That means BTC was getting more dominance, right? BTC was like beating the, just beating up Ethereum. And look what happened. Boom. Okay, and once it does this, you know that this is a breakout, not only for Ethereum, but for the smaller coins. So what happens? The dogs go up first. The dogs, the old coins, like I told you. But this was in the US show, right? Because Jeff was asking me, well, what do you trade if Bitcoin is too big? What moves faster than Bitcoin? It's Litecoin. What happened to Litecoin? And my students know I had this for so long. I've gotten rid of it, okay? And boom, it goes up like $87. What happened next is Bitcoin Cash. Oh, guys, there's a sale, Black Friday. I promise I'm going to upgrade my chart. It's okay. It's okay. Patience, okay? I am going to come next week a new man with a new chart, okay? I'm just going to upgrade my chart. It's going to be better because then I can have 4 in like one pane here, and then we can select each that, okay? So don't worry, I'm going to upgrade that. Look at that. It just went up, right? Let's not see 4 hours. Let's go see daily here. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. It just broke this resistance. This is what is called the start of alt season. And going forward in the next 2 weeks or so, I think we will see a lot of smaller coins break out, right? What did we see yesterday? You guys want to see, right? What happened to BZRX yesterday, right? One of our DeFi coins. I already said that DeFi is hot. Do you guys want to know another hot? Hey, guys, do you want? Yes, XRP is up. Everything is up because it's alt season. Do you want to know another hot coin? Do you want to know a hot? Well, first, I did promise you guys that, but you guys have to remind me on Saturday, okay, during the wallets class, why do you get into BZRX? Okay, fine. I'll tell you, but you guys got to remember. So let's see, BZRX. What did I ask my students to get in this? I asked them to get in at 12 cents. It's now back up again, right? Look at that. Now, so a lot of people panicked yesterday when they saw Bitcoin going down. What did I say? I said, no, that's not probably the one because it only went down by 1,500. So it went down to go up again. It went down to blow your stop losses. It just blew everyone away and likes to do that. And then it goes up again, right? Thank you very much, Bitcoin. You love to do that. We know your trick. See, when you're dealing with Bitcoin, it's, I know your trick. I know your trick. You're trying to blow me out. I know your trick. I'm not going to stand for it, okay? Not going to stand for it. We're going to wait here. So Ethereum is about to break 600. And BZRX is also up. So the small coins are already starting to move up. And I think the story today is all about Ethereum now. I already told you guys that Ethereum, what is coming up on Ethereum, guys? You guys know what's coming up on Ethereum, right? There's no gap, Sanjay. So yeah, good. We're talking about Ethereum. There's no gap. I don't see a gap. What chart do you have on? Do you have it on MT4? Is there a gap? I don't see a gap. You must have it on MT4, right? Okay, please don't use MT4. You see, because cryptos is a market that works 365 days a week. No, a year, 365 days. And during the leap year, it works 366 days. When is the next leap year? I'm gonna ask a quiz someone later, okay? Yeah, MT4, no good. Sanjay, you are getting fooled. You are getting really, really full, because I know the MT4 chart doesn't go on Saturday and Sunday. Crypto goes on Saturday and Sunday. I don't see any gap. Sorry, that's BZRX. See, there's no gap. I'm going to go daily here. Okay, sorry, Sanjay. Yeah, there's no gap. I don't see any gap. There is really no gap on the day because I know you're missing this day and this day, right? So you just saw the gap and you're waiting up here. I don't think so. If it breaks, it breaks. Let's see the chart. Let's see more where it's going to go. There's no gap, no MT4 charts. Please use this, Sanjay. And remember, what do you get here? Can you bring out the discount? Hey, Sanjay wants a discount. Okay, anyway, Sanjay, just go to tradingview.com. Get the discount 60% off. Okay, and you guys too, if you don't have this, please let's not use MT4. You're going to be tricked into doing the wrong things. But anyway, this is up now. We already talked about Ethereum. What is due for Ethereum that is going up? Yes, December 1 winning. You are so smart. What have we said? It's going to probably disappoint, but it's still going to go up. You know why? Everyone is so fed up, you know? It goes down because it didn't mean, and then it goes up. It goes down and didn't mean, and then it goes up. What do we do? What did we need to do? Go and buy. So what if it disappoints? Everyone is expecting it to disappoint. Look at this. Ethereum 2.0 to boost DeFi, but delayed launch may set the network back. Yes, there's big news coming up, because the danger here that people say, okay, people have put in a lot of Ethereum for staking. What if it doesn't work? Their Ethereum is stuck in the contract. Okay, it's a smart contract. They have to write another contract to take it out. It will be a mess. It's such a mess that this will create. And look what this guy said. Again, Sam Bankman-Fried. Who is this guy? This is a very important guy in crypto. Do you guys remember? Do you guys remember who this guy is? Do you guys remember who this guy is? Who remembers? CEO of FTX believes that Ethereum 2 launch will not be able to cope with the potential growth that could be witnessed in the DeFi market. So it's going up too. And he developed his own project on Solana blockchain. So we go forward. Before we go forward, what I want to do is this, okay? What I want to do is this. Who is this guy, guys? So that we, because it's going up, you guys need to know and you guys need to remember who is, no, but good guess. Sam Bankman-Fried is the CEO of FTX, and he is the 13th largest donor. To who? Is he to Trump? No, he is the 13th largest donor to Joe Biden. So when Sam Bankman-Fried talks, we listen. And who is he good friends with? Well, this crypto is listed. He's also good friends with Solana. And I already told you guys, what is his DeFi? He has a DeFi. What is it? Come on, guys. Do you guys remember? I don't know whether he's friend, but he gave his the 13th. What is his this one? What is this? What is his DeFi? What is it called, guys? What is it called? I'm going to give you the answer because I want to answer Sanjay's question. One small coin to invest that has a potential of 10x. I will get there. I will get there. But you guys have to follow the process, okay? Because telling you things ain't going to do a thing. You guys have to understand if you want to hold to 10x. You want to hold to 10x. Otherwise, you get out at 20% and you're happy at 20%. No, don't go that, okay? So what is this, right? What is his DeFi? It is Sushi Swap. The infamous Sushi Swap. Remember, after Sushi Swap did a rug pull, which is kind of, you know, they set up this thing, investors came in, and then someone pulled out $12 million. Sam Bankman-Fried took over. So watch for these, okay? I want you to watch for this. Put this inside your vocabulary. FTX, right? SF Lee, FTX, Solana, and yeah, Sushi Swap, because there is a relationship there, okay? So again, nobody cares about ETH going, guys, nobody cares about ETH failing anymore. It just wants to go up, it goes up. And now it is leading the charge for what? It is leading the charge in this new second inning, right? Second inning. Do we take profit in ETH? I don't know. That depends on your situation, okay? That depends on your situation. Sanjay, when do we need? It is really up to you. All I can say now, once it breaks 600, I am going to put here, I'm just going to show you a daily thing, okay? Guys, this is not Forex. I don't want to get into Forex. It's easy to name a TP into Forex, but in crypto, it's undergoing quote unquote price discovery, you know? Because it's, I give you a TP, it goes, I give you a TP at 650. It goes to 1,000. What do you say? Ah, man. Say I give you a profit of 600. What if it goes to 700? Oh, man. What if I tell you that, okay, get out now. Okay, get out now. Or what if I tell you the profit is 1,000? It goes back down here. I'm in trouble. Because when it's in crypto, when I ever give you a profit target, I could be in trouble. All I can say is that, because you guys know that I was such a broken record and you guys should have been buying somewhere around here where it was 360. All I'm going to tell you, yesterday I said 600, right? I would take profit. What am I going to do? I'm just going to trail it. If it goes to 1,000, I'm so happy now. Let me see. Let's see 1 week. Is it easier? Yeah, it's easier to see 1 week now. I'm just going to show you the weekly chart here. This is what I think would happen. Okay, I don't know what would happen. So if it breaks 600, look here. Okay, where's the next level? 700, 700, 800. Now, this is what will happen. I'm just going to trail it up here. Half my position. I'm keeping the other half. I'm hodling the other half. Okay, so if it breaks 600, obviously the next level is 700. But look at 700 here. There's nothing there. The next level is this. There's nothing here. There's really nothing here. It could go logically up to this level, which is 835. Yes, we have something there, right? 800. But look, if it breaks this level, and let's go draw a horizontal line, and maybe we can talk about Bitcoin later, right? Maybe we can talk about Bitcoin on Wednesday. I don't know. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this, Sanjay. Look at this. If it goes above this or goes above that, depending on the chart, okay? Depending on chart, it's hard to be accurate because different brokers have different charts, but you can say 800. If it goes above 800, you know what? There's nothing there, guys. There's nothing except this level. It can go very fast to 1,004. So when do you take profit? I don't know. I'm just trailing the stock. I'm just trailing it here, okay? I just put a trailing stop loss here. I am safe. I am safe already, okay? Because it has broken out. Because you have to remember, in cryptos, it will go up very, very quickly. That's the way I would do it, right? 7 to 8. Yeah, you're right. There's nothing there. Sanjay, look, there's nothing there. It was like, yeah, you see that? There's nothing. There's totally nothing. There is totally nothing there. It can go up very, very fast. I'm not going to do anything, right? Because even 700, it can go to 800. So if it takes me out, well, that's good. If it doesn't take me out, that's good too. That's how you go on this thing called Ethereum. So it is hot, right? So what are the other news that we see? Yeah, Ripple is also goes hot. Everything is hot now, especially the old coins like Ripple, like even like ADA. Oh my God, like who was waiting for ADA, right? You guys know, who was waiting for ADA, guys? Like Alan was waiting for ADA. But before that, let's see the total market capitalization. So I'm sorry that maybe we don't talk about Bitcoin yet. We can talk about Bitcoin on Wednesday because we have this thing, you know. This is like emergency. Hello. You know, the second inning has started. Look at this total market capitalization. Finally, it broke. Do you remember that? Again, I was sounding like a broken record. But when it breaks like in a rocket, right? Why do we say this is a rocket? Because it like, it goes up straight. It just goes up straight up. That's what it does. Okay, that's what it does. Will it retrace? Yes, but it will probably retrace to go up some more. Okay, so be very careful in this if you're trying to short the market. Okay, so that's total here. That's total and it's going up. So what else is going on? ADA, right? How long has our good friend Alan been waiting for this? Now, I'm going to show you something about crypto. Let me show you something about crypto so that you guys understand about crypto, guys. Okay, yeah. No, we don't have time to review that, Sanjay, okay? But in the class on Saturday, yes, but keep, there's many. Is it keep 3? Is it keep 4? What coin is it? Can you give me the exact name? I need the exact name of that. There are many keeps. The keeps by Andre Cronje, right? Keep 3R. There's keep 4. Man, there's so many keeps. Okay, right. So ADA. Okay, ADA again. We were stuck here for so long. You guys were bored, right? Like, what is this guy doing? We were stuck here for so long. But look at 10, right? 10, 9, 9, 10, 9, 10, 9, 10. Not going anywhere, right? But look, when it breaks, look at that. Within how many days? Is this a daily chart? 1, 2, 3. It goes up like what? 50. Wait, it goes up 60%. 60% in 3 days. Isn't that cool? Don't you just love that it can go 60% in 3 days? Right? And BZRX does what? 200% in about, I don't know, a week. That is crypto, guys. That is crypto. So when we are going into cryptos, we have to be careful this. First, you got to enter. You got to enter. Now, I'm giving you a framework for Bitcoin. Okay, a lot of people are asking like, how do I get into Bitcoin? And let me give you a question. Let me give you a question here. And let's talk about ADA. Let's talk about ADA. And I'm going to tell you a fact about crypto. And I hope you guys remember this because you guys can see, right? When it explodes, it really explodes like that, right? Zoom, 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 zoom. Now, when it explodes by 60%. Now, say you are here and you do not know how to get in. I want you guys to measure from here to here. And I want you guys to ask yourself if it can do this, because you can see it can, because the last time it did the same thing, 50% up. The last time it did 50% up. We do not know when it will explode. Why aren't you in? This is important and very important question. Why aren't you in? Okay, so for my students, I have a recording and I've answered the question. Why aren't you in? What was preventing you to get in? This is serious. What was preventing? And it actually applies to Bitcoin too. If you want to trade to 318K, you have the same problem, okay? What was preventing you to get in? This is so important, okay? This is so important, okay? So ask yourself that, because that is cryptos. It is not Forex. I understand Forex, right? You guys want to get in every day, right? Cryptos, we don't do that. We do not need to get in every day, because here's the deal. If I have like $1,000, right? If I have $1,000, if I am still in the game, look, my $1,000 is already worth $1,600 for ADA. The same thing is going to happen to Bitcoin too, okay? Let me show you something. I know it is hard to believe, okay? It's hard to believe. Can it really go to 318K? You find it hard to believe. Hey, Christo, yeah, no knowledge, no fear. Yeah, you're right. You're right. No knowledge, you have fear. You have knowledge, you don't care. Now, how many of you find this an incredulous number? Well, we have incredulous. And we also have incredible. How many of you find it, this is incredible, incredulous? Well, whatever. Let me show you Bitcoin, okay? And I'm going to show you something. Okay? So yes, Crystal, good. No knowledge, you have fear. Not only knowledge of the technology, because the technology will define the users and all that. But if you do not have knowledge of history, guess what? You might be knocked out, okay? Keep network. Thanks, Sanjay. I'm going to do a review of that. I'm going to get it for you on Saturday. Okay, so guys, don't forget, come to the wallets class on Saturday. You will hear the review of Keep. You guys want me to do things? Put it down here, okay? I'm going to put it down in my notebook. Okay, so again, back to Crystal. Do you find this totally like crazy? Like someone comes to you like, hey, this is now 18K and you are telling us that it's going to 318K in a year? Like, are you crazy? Are you crazy? Are you insane? We're going to have to commit you to a mental institution, right? So let's go back in time. Let's go back in time, guys. Let's go back in time, okay? But first, can someone do a simple mathematic? Can someone do a simple mathematics for me? Wait, I am going to do a simple mathematics here. So Bitcoin broke up. What is it what is now? It's now November, right? So 318 divided by 18. Okay, that's like 17 times, right? That's like 17 times. 17 times. I'm saying that it's going to go like 17 times. Totally insane, right? Totally insane. Is it 17.6? Okay, 18 times, okay? I just want you guys to remember this, 18 times. Let me get this out. So we are saying this. We are saying effectively this, okay? Let me write it down again. One moment, annotate, no, no, resume share, sorry. Get this out here. I'm just gonna write here 18 times. Today is the 23rd of November. Now, let us go back in time. If you have this, please don't use your MT4. Your MT4 is gonna play with your mind. 17.66. Thanks, Brian. Let's go back in time. We're going back in time. It's like going back to the future, you know. You guys have seen Going Back to the Future? You have seen Back to the Future, right? Old movie. Okay, go and see that. I'm gonna take you back in time and I'm gonna go monthly. Whoa, let's go back in time here and let's go back to the year 2016, where there was also a Bitcoin halving, right? Remember, in 2016, what was there? There was also a Bitcoin halving and there was a presidential election where the loser conceded. Okay, where the loser conceded. Now we still have to call Biden, president-elect, right? So let's go back in time. I am going back. Wait, how come it said it here? Oh my God, don't set it here. Don't set it here. I don't want to see that. I want to see, okay? I'm gonna go weekly, okay? I'm gonna go weekly. I'm gonna go back in time because we are essentially at the same place in time in 2016. So if you want to see how crazy this is, let's look at 2016. What day you guys want to look at, right? Let's look at just look at end of November, guys. End of November at 2016, right? Okay, I have 2016 here. What was the price at end of November, September? Do we have that? November. What's this? 716, right? About to break out. Do you guys see that? 716, right? You guys see 716. Guys, by the end of the year, what was Bitcoin by the end of 2017? What was Bitcoin by the end of 2017, guys? Anyone remember? Type it down. What was Bitcoin at the end of 2017? How much was it? How much was it? 20. Well, it was 19.7, but you know, my math is bad. I'm just gonna put 20,000. Now, let's calculate. 716, you see it here, right? You see it here. You see it here. Yeah, you see it here, right? Here. Just broke out. It just broke out, right? So let's go by 20,000 divided by 716. That was a 27 times move. Now let's go back. Now, if we go back at this time and you guys are sitting out there, okay, you guys are sitting out there, would you have believed if someone said this is going to go to 20,000? Yeah. You would have thought that guy was nuts, right? You would have thought that guy was totally nuts. So I want to ask yourself this question. Can it go to 27,000? I'm going to teach you something else. In one cycle to the next, so we had the Bitcoin cycle of 216 to 218. And if you want to know what the Bitcoin cycle will be at, you guys want to know, right? 20, and I've always said this, 2022 means Chinese New Year. Okay, sorry. We need to gongzi fachai, okay? Sorry, okay? The West may say December, no. Citibank, we need to gongzi fachai, okay? Sorry for that. So look at that, 27 times and 18 times, right? So if you want to know what this may be, realistically, what do? This cycle is usually less than this cycle by 25%. So let's do another calculation here. Let's do 27 divided by 25%. What's 27? 27 times 0.75. 27 times 0.75 times 0.7. 20. It comes out to 20 times. 20 times, it's about 17, 18 lah. So again, I forward it to you. I'm just doing rough analysis. So is 318 reasonable from now? It's actually quite reasonable. I still don't think it will reach there because stock to flow model shows 100K. But if it goes there, and am I going to be shocked? No, because in 2016, it moved 27 times. In 2020, it's not going to move 27 times. It's going to move 75% of 27 times. Did I get that right? Yes, all right, 20 times, right? From 18 or whatever it is. Yeah, now 318K is very reasonable. Now, I want you guys to go to sleep on this and be ready for Saturday. I'm going to ask you something. Seeing all this, why aren't you in? Isn't this the more relevant question? I'll answer it on Saturday, okay? So, but I want you to try. You have to play with your mind now. Why aren't you in? Very important question. Why are you still looking for a way in? Think about it. Don't go buy Bitcoin tomorrow, okay? Think about it. Just think about it. This is very important because before you guys can move forward, you guys need to answer that question. So critical. You guys understand me, right? So you guys need to reflect before Saturday's class, right? You guys have registered for Saturday's class. Right? It's a free wallet class where we are going to go through a Bitcoin wallet. And not only are we going to go through a Bitcoin wallet and Ethereum wallet, we are also going to talk about DeFi and why DeFi, I know you hear DeFi on Ethereum, right? Why DeFi, yes, that's the word, DeFi is going to cause a supply crunch in Bitcoin. There's not going to be enough Bitcoins going around, guys. Remember that. And we are going to continue this on Wednesday, okay? As we talk about the cryptos and also when you might have some missing cryptos. So again, go back home and think about it. Come back again on Wednesday and let's discuss more. And thank you, Sanjay. I will find Keep Network. Okay, thanks. Okay. Is this a trick question, Fat? No, this is not a trick question. This is a real question. And on Saturday, I will give you the answers on why you are not in. Because you have to get this over, right? Imagine, Fat asked a very quick question. Imagine you were in Ada, you're frustrated, blah, 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 blah. How many weeks were you frustrated? Let's see, okay? Let's see just how many weeks you were frustrated at now. I'm gonna do this another way for Fat. This is a very special for Fat, okay? Let me see this. Hopefully my okay, look at this. Say, you know, of course you didn't go here. Just say you went in here, right? Just say you went in here. You went in here, right? You went somewhere here. You thought it was going up. You bought somewhere here, right? How long was this? This was like mid-October, mid-November, 1 month, right? I'm just going to show you an example, a mental model. 1 month, you were stuck. No, it's not going anywhere. Suddenly it boosts up 60%, right? 3 days. Now, let me ask you another question. If you had a 1,000 account and it suddenly goes up to 1,600 in a month, aren't you going to be a happy camper? Aren't you going to be smiling? Aren't you going to be smiling? Right? You're going to be smiling because you understand how crypto works. But if you are going to try to go in and eat this little by little every day, you know what? You are going to get fed up and you're just not going to be there. Yes, Crystal, you got to sign up for the crypto.com wallet and I'm going to see you guys on Saturday. Yes, Josiah, it is in English. It is in English. So you guys, but I really want you guys to think because we have to get over this for you to moon. But I love this, right? Think about this. If you had 1,000 and at the end of the month, it goes to 1,600, you'd be jumping up and down. You would be, yay, 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 yay. Are you willing to go to the 4 weeks of mental torture, right? How do you avoid this? So another question is, how do you avoid the mental torture here? I have the answers. So if you're my student, you will get an email. You will have to avoid that mental torture. Okay, that's it for now. I can't get them too excited. Okay, I'm already excited. I'm going to be trading and make money. Okay, guys, bye. See you later. See you guys on Wednesday. Okay, guys, bye.